Hello everyone. Today we will fill book exercise of chapter number 5, doing things differently. First, choose the correct answers. First question, dash dish is a special way of writing using rice dot to make pattern. The right answer is braille. Second question, a person who cannot see clearly at night or in dim light has night blindness. Third question, blanks make sounds clearer and louder. The right answer is hearing aid. Fourth, people with dash use sign language to communicate. The right answer is hearing impairment. Now question B. Write whether the statement are true or false. First is, we have 5 sense organs. Is it right? Yes, it is true. Second, people with night blindness cannot differentiate between colors. It is false. Third, hearing loss can be because of infection or birth defect. It is true. Fourth, differently able should be treated badly. False. Now filling the blanks. First, Meera cannot read words on the blackboard located away from her because she suffers from nearsightedness. Second, people who have weak sense of hearing are called hard of hearing. Answer is hard of hearing. Third, people who are physically challenged are also called differently abled people. Fourth, sign language is used by people with hearing impairments to communicate. Now match the following. First, inability to differentiate between colors. Color blindness. C. Second, not being able to see. Answer is D. Visual disability. Third, not being able to hear. Answer is B. Hearing disability. Fourth, inability to see in dim light. Answer is A. Night blindness. Now answer in one word. First is inability to see nearby objects clearly. Answer is farsightedness. Second, inability to see far off objects clearly. The answer is nearsightedness. Third, method of communication that use hand movement. Answer is sign language. Fourth, device useful in making sound clearly. Answer is hearing aid.